Hey Go Diggers, it's Kimmy with Kimmy Keto Lifestyle, and I'm here with our very first recipe video. I know you guys have been asking me for videos. I just haven't had time, but now I have all the time in the world. So I'm coming to you guys with my absolute favorite keto recipe, keto chicken nuggets. Super simple, easy, super cheap, only about 4 ingredients. I make them in my air fryer, so if you have an air fryer, this recipe is the bomb for you. If not, it's still the bomb for you, okay? I've already been eating them, so I'm gonna show you how to make them, and then you can eat them, okay? All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to make my keto chicken nuggets. So to start out, you gotta make sure you got some chicken. I cut all my chicken up in these little bite-sized pieces. Looks like a chicken nugget, right? So yeah, bite-sized pieces. You need some almond flour, some pork rinds, seasonings, butter, coconut oil if you don't have an air fryer, and like a little container, an egg, and another little container for your egg. So I'm gonna start out by seasoning my chicken first. So this right here is like the plug of seasonings. I know it's a French fry, but this is absolutely amazing. It's only $1 at the Dollar Tree. Get you some, I promise you, you will not regret it, okay? So I'm being generous because there's a lot of chicken in there. This is garlic powder. I usually put garlic powder on almost everything. Then I'm just going to mix some of the chicken up. You can do it with your hands, but I'd just rather not, because I'd just rather not. I'm also going to use a little paprika and a little bit of cayenne pepper as well. Paprika to give it a little color, and your cayenne will give it a little heat. Don't want a lot. So mix. You feel like it's just not enough? I don't think it's enough. Add a little bit more, because I can tell it didn't go all the way down to the bottom. So I am going to just add a little bit more. Mix again. So when you're finished, your chicken should look like this. Thoroughly seasoned. Okay? I'm just gonna sit this to the side. Next, I'm gonna crack my egg. Same. Next, this, I've already started crunching up some pork rinds. Right here, I got this from Walmart. They were like $2 maybe, and it's not really hot. This kind of has a sweet, spicy taste to it, so I really like these the best. So you're just gonna put a couple in your baggie, and you probably won't use them all anyway. Be careful because you don't want like little holes like that in your baggie, so be careful. When you finish crunching them, there should be some little pieces at the bottom. Those are the ones you're probably using most. Next, you're gonna take your container. Scoop you out some almond flour. I'm using a 1/2 cup. Shake, shake. I like to think the almond gives it the flavor. I mean, the breading, and the pork rinds give it the crunch that you're looking for. Next, you want it to be about even for pork rinds and your almond flour. So just add a little bit more. Alright, so at this time you want to get a pan. So right here is when you're going to start preparing your chicken. So it's going to go chicken, egg, pan. Chicken, egg, and then there's a pan over there. You can see, okay. So I like to take a scoop of my egg, turn it around. Don't want to put too many in there because you don't want it to be crowded when you bread them. So make sure you close all sides. When you do it in a container like this, you're able to save the batter and use it for another time. It's just what meal prepping is all about, being prepared to make a meal. So now if you do not have an air fryer, this is the part that I'm going to help you guys out with. So this is a clean pan. I'm just going to dry it out a little bit. So you're going to take some butter. I already have some right here. You want about a tablespoon. And I personally like to do coconut oil also, and butter. It just works better in my opinion. As a chef, it's still wet, but it's fine. So wet a little bit, but it's fine. So as soon as everything starts to melt, opening up, it should be ready. If not, just sprinkle. Just gonna start laying your chicken down. Sounds so good. I'm so excited because this is probably absolutely delicious. We're about to eat awesome. Here I am just scraping the pan of any residue from the excess batter, just so it make cleanup a lot easier when we are finished. Now you just want to get them a little bit crispy. Doing it with the air fryer. It's basically the same thing. Make sure your chicken is covered. So put little pieces in there. So after I've given my chicken a chance to rest and drain from any excess oil, I'm just going to put them in a little container. Make sure that it has a lid because you're going to be using it to shake up your chicken nuggets. So you can have your chicken nuggets either way, regular or buffalo style. And I absolutely love this buffalo sauce. I got it from Dollar Tree. It's only $1. You guys go and get it. If you don't like it, you'll only be wasting $1. So I'm just gonna put it in the container, make sure the lid is super tight and on very well. And I'm just gonna shake until they're all covered. Yum, and that's what they should look like. And I'm just going to plate my chicken nuggets. And of course, what is a buffalo wing without ranch? And there you go, buffalo chicken nuggets without the buffalo sauce and ranch. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.